Let's start by teaching you how to do that airplane I was going to do. So you're going to need two green, well, you can have these any color. Two 260s, a 160, and a 360. Now, I start with the 360. Don't overinflate it because you're going to run out of air and balloon pretty quickly if you're not, if you do overinflate it. Start off by making a small pinch twist. Come back about 6 fingers. Then you're going to make a small pinch twist, and another small pinch twist, and back up to the front. There we go. That's what we wanted to do. So you're making that. The wings are going to slide in there. Tail section. Just so you know where we're going. Turn that off. Right. Fuselage complete. 160. Inflate. Don't overinflate. You don't get too hung up on how much this is inflated. You're not going to use it all. Got a 3-finger loop. 3-finger loop. 3-finger loop. Now you could say, okay, that's a great top, but I'm going to go 4-finger, 4th loop. Don't need that. It's going to go right behind there. Just like that. Now I'm going to do the wings. 260. I'm going to leave about 2 fingers. Tail. Loop it together. Tie that knot. Find your midpoint by kind of hard this close. That's about your midpoint. Got your wings. Take one. Do the through. Easy enough. Now, okay, if you wanted to, you could actually twist those right there. I just sort of do that to give it a little bit of a rounded shape. Square them out a little bit. So far, so good, right? Tail section. This is perfect for an Elf on the Shelf, or if you want to put in, I'll go into the what fours in a minute too. So we're making the tail section. I'm back about that much, right? Pinch twist. Come up. 4-finger loop. Pinch twist. Make these two the same. Don't need that. Tail section. Wrap that in. Those 2 pinch twists after that. There you go. Quick airplane. You can put if you wanted to do a 5-inch round, one of these guys, you tie them in. I'll be using this for my Elf on the Shelf. So while he's going to be flying, he can fit in there.